Hello everybody, I'm Chris from TimeTrade.
And I'm Andrew.
I appreciate you showing up. We're here today because we're actually inviting you to a webinar. We are hosting a webinar called Schedule a Demo. We're going to be walking you through how you can actually schedule book demonstrations from your website across your entire sales team for free. But before we get into the details, let's talk about how it works. Most of you marketers out there have this. You have a website, obviously. And a lot of you have the Schedule a Demo button or Schedule a Call. And what does that go? It goes to a form, you fill out a name, your email, company, state, maybe a product, interest, or service, and then you hit submit, and then what happens? You hit them with this beautiful landing page that says, thank you, we'll reach out soon. You know what that's an absolute fail right there. This is your part.
So how about, instead of having this fail, where someone just gets to a landing page and they just say, great, we'll contact you soon, and you don't know when they're going to reach out, what if you just had a calendar that you could bring them to? Bam! A lot better. Where they can schedule a demo right from that page, and they know exactly when they're going to meet with your team to get a demo of your product and learn more about the capabilities that you offer.
So we're hosting a webinar on the 24th that you can come in and see. We're going to set up this account live. It's a free account. Invite your entire team to schedule demos on their behalf right from your website. And if you don't want to sit through us talking through an entire webinar, it's only going to be about a half an hour anyway. You can actually go to the link below, hit the landing page, and you can actually sign up for this account now for free and actually get it working literally today. So check it out, and I hope to see you on the webinar. Thank you. I'm going to go hide behind the post.
That was awful. What do? Just hold these pages? You just have these stickers just hanging out everywhere?
Well, I do have all these just in case.